Thank you. That's the nicest thing anyone's ever said to me.
Boss Racing.
We are on our way to Apple Valley Speedway to support and spectate my good buds. We're putting together this drip event. This is like the first that they've ever done, and they've always talked about doing it off the success of them whipping their Fitz around at Streets of Willow, and everyone loved it. So now they're ganging up the whole baby car squad, all Fitz alike, Yarises, what have you. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be driving because I don't have a baby car. We're gonna be there in about 1.5 hours. I'm super excited to see my friends and see how everybody is going to whip their little baby cars around Apple Valley Speedway. I've never been to Apple Valley Speedway, so this is gonna be a new experience for me.
All right, well, we're here.
What up? Yeah, I know they have Mount Fuji over here. That's it? Like a baby.
I like it.
What's up, dude?
Are you blowing up your tires with the bike pump?
Yeah, take it easy. This is autocross shit. The only pump you brought to me.
So today is the Threespoke Coffee Drip Events. Drift and grip. You're gonna see a lot of funny looking Fitz here doing their best to slide, and a lot of drift cars too. So this is really, really unique, very strange, but I love it.
Yeah. Woo. Kisses.
All right. Oh, that's the one, the Yaris. Oh shit! Look at Dwayne. So Joy, how stupid is this?
Very. On a scale of 1 to 10. 12.
A 10, 12. 12. I love that Yaris. Oh, he did it! What the fuck? Here's the squad. Dwayne's Fihh, Simon's Yaris. Simon, what? Can you tell me what the hell is going on with your Yaris? It actually looks really gripped up.
Thanks. Well, yeah, I'm running like RT 660s, so it's really super grippy, but you can still get sideways.
Yeah, I saw you. I saw you. You guys were really like tight. You're close together.
Yeah, it's gotta like carry a lot of momentum, kind of just trail the brakes into it.
Do you have coilovers on this?
Yeah, it's on the Tame Flexies.
Okay. What else? That's it.
That's pretty much it. Just wheels, tires, coilovers. That's it, man. Just stock motor.
I think it's way cuter than these. I think it's way funnier.
It's a goofy car for sure.
It's got like this round butt. I don't know. I have an affinity for like funny baby cars, and this is like my ultimate baby car. I love it. I love that you're the only Yaris though in a sea of Fitz.
Dude.
I was talking to Joy. I was like, this is like the stupidest, weirdest event I've ever seen.
It's like the most unserious driving events are the most fun.
I know. And it looks like everyone's having a ton of fun. All right, riding with Meng.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, Meng. Thank you,
Let's
bro.
go. We'll do just a cruise around lap first, and then we'll start drifting.
Dude, let's go. Meg's been drifting for a long time, so this is gonna be fun.
Let's hope so.
drifting.
A long time ago.
Yeah.
For stock FRS, it works.
Yeah. Wow. What do you have done to it?
Just a bolt-on angle kit and cheap tires.
Wow.
That's it.
No shit. Fucking hell.
That was
Whoa.
a good time.
I like it. So now we're gonna ride with Simon. Oh, look how my eyes diverge. Out of all the cars here, sorry Fihh owners, I want this one. My God, this is so small in here. Send it! Ah, yeah!
Oh shit!
There we go, dude! Yeah! Dude! Gotta carry some speed, yeah! So dumb. Alright, we got a 4-train here. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah! Ultimate drift machine, the Toyota Yaris. What are you feeling with these shitty tires in the back? How do you like it?
It's so fun.
Yeah.
It's just dumb fun.
The prices of Yarises are going up.
Cheapest drift car you can get.
This cheapest drift car you could get. Watch this. Woo! Safe. I've never been part of something that's so stupid and so fun.
I know. Thank you. That's the nicest thing anyone's ever said to me.
Check out this guy with the chinelas.
Hello?
Oh my God. When I drove with Dwayne in his EK coupe, it forced me to get an EG. So now I'm gonna be in his Fit while drifting and probably buy a Fit or a Yaris after. Okay,
This is what we're doing.
This is just stupid. This is fun.
It's just stupid, yeah. Like, what do you call this shit? Stupid.
Stupid.
But it's fun to get stupid.
Oh yeah! Yeah! What the fuck? Oh, fuck. The power.
Let's call it a day. See what a real drifter does.
Let's go. Oh! Oh! We're hanging on it! We're on his door! Look, he's right there! What's going on, dude? Oh, God, dude, no fucking way.
Dude, I don't think I have any front tire left.
Holy. How are you gonna get home?
It's alright, we'll walk home.
Yeah! Oh my God! We made it! This is so chaotic!
Hey, we're down to 27 miles per gallon.
Sorry.
Oh, man.
Oh, shit.
I'm going back in, dude. This should be illegal, bro.
That is fucking funny.
Oh my
Holy.
God.
Oh.
It's just stupid.
Yeah, it's absolutely stupid, but this is the stupidest, most fun thing I've seen in a long time. What are we doing going around in circles on a track?
Dude, that's random.
Dude, that was so funny. That was so ratchet. There's a sea of Fitz here. As far as the eye can see, Fitz. The best part about it is that none of this is serious. All fun and games. Oh my God. There's Mang tearing it up. Seth's S13. You might know him as his other brand, Garage Hot Car, which we will be working with in 2026. Wow. Old school vibe with the Volks. Oh, he looks good out there. Drifting looks so fun. I got into the cars because of drifting, watching D1 and stuff. I still haven't gone drifting. This is insane. Here's Ken's E36. He's been learning how to yank on the e-brake, do clutch kicks, kind of just messing around. He drove this thing here. FRSs and GR86s are so good for drifting. They're just the perfect chassis for it. And they look good too. Got this at Buttonwillow. So yeah, that was Threespoke Drip Event. I thought I was gonna just lose my voice because I was laughing so hard in the car because it is so ridiculous. Like, I talked to other people who were just spectating, who weren't even part of the event, and they're just like, oh, I didn't even know that Vitz could do this. Well, the answer is, yeah, they could do it. They're not supposed to. That's why it's so funny to see. Being in the passenger seat is kind of a trip because, yeah, like you don't expect it to fling, and
it flings so hard. Like, you really have to whip it into the corners to make sure that that thing rotates, because that's the last thing that that car wants to do. Really, really funny. I think that the funniest thing all day, though, is just me in the back of my mind going, what, like, fuck time attack, let's go drifting, dude, because that stuff looks so fun. Just seeing Mang drift, watching Seth out there, that stuff looks so freaking fun, and I really do want to enjoy drifting. The reason I got into cars and racing in general was because of things like Initial D, which led to me getting obsessed with D1 GP and hot version, and then here in the States it was Formula Drift. So I have a long-standing admiration and love for drifting, but I just have never actually started drifting. And it's funny that I'm getting this now, because yeah, a fit is the reason why I'm starting to think about drifting again. Huh, interesting. Maybe a Boss Racing drift car is in the cards, but we'll see. Wow, that was a fun little episode, I think. Very, very odd to be drifting in a Fit. If you find yourself depressed, wanting something more in life, Call of Duty's not doing it for you anymore, grab a Fit, put some really, really shitty tires in the rear, and just slide that thing. I guess it's that easy. All right, I'll see you on the next one.
Boss Racing.